welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Mangothao. Okay, today's video is going to be my first impression on the Milani Conceal+Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. I got the shade 07 Sand, as you guys can see. I was going to grab medium, but then when I opened the bottle, and it was a little bit too dark for me. So I hope Sand is my color. This retails for $10 at your local drugstore. So I did the basics already. I primed, I prepped my face. My all-time foundation that I use is the Born This Way by Too Faced, and the color is warm beige. And as you can tell, it's pretty beat up. I have backup of this, so this is my holy grail foundation that I always use because it gives me a perfect complexion. So I was like, let me try out a drugstore foundation that is full coverage. And a lot of people on YouTube and friends have used this already, but I'm so late on this because I'm just so used to using high-end stuff. So then I don't go to the drugstore to get stuff anymore to use. So today is going to be my first impression on this, and let's get on with it. I like how it's black and it's gloss, so that's really cute. Also, I will be using drugstore concealers as well. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay. I like how it comes with a pump. Okay, right off the bat, you guys can see it's pretty thick. So I think I got a little bit too much, but I'll be using my black beauty blender. So, this is how the coverage is. It's really full coverage. Like, you could tell the difference. This is the side that without the foundation, and this is the side with the foundation. It covered up my redness pretty good. So, I'm gonna do the other side of my face now. Okay, just finished my full face using the foundation, and so far I really love the coverage. Like, let me see. It's really full coverage for a drugstore. But concealing my black bags, it doesn't conceal as much because my black bags are pretty dark. It's a little sticky, which I don't mind because what kind of foundation that's not sticky, but I love it. And this color will match me for the summertime, So I might have to go pick up another shade that's lighter, which is probably 6 or 5. But Walmart, I went to Walmart and they didn't have much varieties. So I have to check online to see if they have another lighter shade. So I could probably mix both or just get another lighter shade. But so far I like it so far. So I'm going to conceal my under eyes and then do my full face. And I'll play music and you guys just watch me do it. Okay, so I finished my full face highlighting, contour, and all that stuff. So, my review and comments about this foundation is, I love it. I love it. It's really full coverage. And like a drugstore foundation, you can't beat this with a stick. $10. If you don't want to spend like $30 to $40 to $60 for a high-end foundation, I would highly recommend the Milani Conceal+Perfect foundation. And the coverage is awesome. I love it. My natural skin is not peeking through. It's really full coverage. And I know the shade is a little bit darker for me right now, but when it's the summertime, this shade will match me perfectly. Or whenever I do my self-tanner again, it will match me more because I'm pretty pale right now. But so far, I love it. And I will highly recommend it. So, that's all for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.